What if your FileMaker solution just worked the way you want it? Fast, reliable, always available, infinitely customizable, no endless support menu navigation, no guesswork. That is what FMPHost provides. The FileMaker database hosting service from FMPHost gives you your own dedicated, fully managed server, ready in seconds with advanced features no other provider delivers. Behind the scenes, our team keeps everything running smoothly. We handle updates, monitoring performance, and making sure your system stays online and responsive so you don't have to think about it. Built on top of AWS, your server benefits from enterprise-grade security, performance, and uptime reliability. Pricing scales with your needs. Our monthly payment plans are designed to preserve your cash flow and yearly plans to maximize your discounts. Getting started is simple. Choose your closest hosting facility. Enter a few details and your dedicated FileMaker server is ready. Upload your database using the web interface. Or, for larger databases and external container field files, upload directly through FileMaker Pro. Step-by-step instructions are provided along the way. Once your database is live, you're in control. Open and close your databases, create backups instantly, and restore from our automated off-disk backups. You can even send backups automatically to your own storage solution, including Google Drive, Dropbox, SFTP, and more. Monitor activity and manage connected users in real time. Turn your FileMaker solution into a secure web application on your own domain with SSL included. Need more power? Upgrade your server resources at any time, scaling memory and disk space independently. For advanced control, access the FileMaker Server Admin Console, manage SSL certificates, or enable disaster recovery, which allows you to create a real-time replica of your server in another region for maximum resilience. Whether you're just getting started or running a mission-critical system, FMPHost makes FileMaker hosting simple, reliable, and built for growth. Start your free trial today and have your users sharing your FileMaker database in minutes.